Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English podcast.
Hi, we're very happy you're here today.
My name is Isabella.
And I'm James.
Today's topic is very important.
Yes, very, very important.
We are going to talk about this problem. You understand English,
But you translate in your head.
and because of that, you can't speak. If this is you, don't worry.
This podcast is for you.
James, let me ask you something.
Okay.
Why do people translate in their head?
Because they learn English with translation.
Yes,
They hear a word in English,
and they think of their own language first.
then they try to speak.
And it's slow.
Let's give an example.
Good idea.
Someone wants to say, I am tired.
But first, they think in their own language.
Then they translate.
And then they speak.
This takes time.
And when you speak,
You feel nervous.
you feel stressed.
You forget words.
So today we will help you stop translating
Step by step,
slowly.
in a simple way.
Important note for everyone listening.
Yes, listen carefully.
You do not need perfect English.
You do not need big grammar
You need simple English.
and daily practice.
Let's start with something very easy.
Thinking in English.
Many learners think this is impossible.
But it's not.
James, can A1 learners think in English?
Yes, they can.
How?
With short sentences.
Let's practice now.
Everyone listening, please relax.
You don't need to answer fast.
Just listen and repeat.
Repeat after me. I am hungry.
Good. Again, I am hungry.
Now, I am tired.
Very good.
Now, I am happy.
Excellent.
These sentences are easy.
You don't need translation.
You understand them directly.
This is the secret.
Yes.
Understanding without translating.
Let's talk about daily English.
Daily English is simple English.
You don't need difficult words.
You need useful words.
For example, in the morning,
You wake up.
you can say, I wake up.
I get up.
I brush my teeth.
No translation.
Just English. Now, let's talk about speaking practice.
Many people say, I have no one to speak with.
But you always have someone.
Yourself.
Talking to yourself is powerful.
Very powerful.
You can talk in the shower.
You can talk while walking.
You can talk before sleep.
Simple sentences.
Real life sentences. James, do you think mistakes are bad?
No,
Why not?
because mistakes mean practice.
Dear listeners, listen carefully.
Mistakes are good.
Mistakes help you learn.
Mistakes help you speak.
Let's go deeper now.
Yes.
Let's really help our listeners stop translating in their head. First, we need to understand one thing.
Translation is a habit,
Yes, and habits can change.
but not in one day.
Many learners say, my brain translates automatically.
That's normal.
Your brain learned English with translation.
So now we train the brain again.
Training the brain is like training a muscle.
You must repeat every day,
Small practice.
but every day.
Let's talk about one very important secret.
This is a big secret for A1 speakers.
Ready?
Yes,
You must use English without answers.
without answers?
Yes, let me explain. When people learn English, they often ask questions.
And they look for answers in their own language.
This creates translation.
But if you just listen and repeat,
Your brain understands naturally.
let's do an exercise.
Everyone listening, don't think.
Just listen.
Just repeat. I like coffee.
Good. Again, I like coffee.
I like tea.
Very good.
I like music.
Excellent.
Did you translate?
No.
You just understood.
This is natural English learning.
This is how children learn. Now let's talk about daily conversation.
Daily conversation is simple.
Let's imagine a normal day.
You wake up in the morning.
You can say, I wake up early.
I feel sleepy.
I need coffee.
Short sentences.
Clear meaning. Now imagine you are outside.
You see a friend.
You say, "Hi, how are you?"
I'm fine.
No translation.
Just communication.
Many learners think speaking means long sentences.
But it doesn't.
Native speakers use short sentences too.
All the time.
Let's practice a short conversation.
Listen first.
Hi,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm good. You?
I'm fine.
That's it.
Very simple. Now repeat this conversation.
You can pause the podcast.
Repeat slowly.
Another reason people translate is grammar fear.
Yes.
They think, is this sentence correct?
This stops speaking.
Grammar is important.
But speaking is more important.
Communication first.
Let's say something important.
Yes.
Bad English is better than no English.
Always.
If you say, "Yesterday I go work,"
It's not perfect.
but people understand you.
And that is success.
Now let's practice thinking in English.
We will do a small imagination exercise.
Close your eyes if you can.
Imagine your room.
Look around in your mind. Now say in English, "I see a table.
I see a chair.
I see a window."
You don't need translation.
You see and say.
This exercise is very powerful.
You can do it every day.
At home,
At work. Let's talk about listening speed.
many learners say English is too fast.
Yes.
But speed comes with time.
First, slow English.
Then normal English.
Then fast English.
This podcast is slow on purpose.
Yes.
We want you to understand clearly.
Now let's introduce daily speaking routine.
A very easy routine.
Morning, say 5 sentences.
About your morning.
Afternoon, say 5 sentences.
About your day.
Evening, say 5 sentences.
About your feelings.
That's only 15 sentences.
But every day.
Consistency beats motivation.
Always.
Now, let's talk about a very common problem.
Yes. This problem stops many people from speaking.
The problem is silence.
Silence.
Yes, people stay silent because they think too much.
They think about grammar.
They think about vocabulary.
They think about mistakes.
And then they say nothing.
But speaking is not thinking.
Speaking is doing.
Like walking.
Like riding a bike. When you walk, you don't think about every step.
You just walk.
Speaking should be the same.
Let's change the way our listeners think.
Yes, let's make speaking easy. Here is another secret.
A very important secret.
Don't try to say everything.
Say something.
Many learners want perfect sentences.
But perfect sentences are not needed.
Simple words are enough.
For example, don't say a long sentence.
Just say, "Good,"
Or, okay.
or "No problem."
These are real English sentences.
Native speakers use them every day. Let's practice short answers.
Good idea.
How are you?
Good.
Are you tired?
Yes.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
Short answers help you speak faster.
And stop translating.
Now, let's talk about questions again.
Questions are very useful.
When you don't know what to say,
Ask a question.
for example, "How about you?"
What do you think?
Really?
These questions are easy.
And very powerful. Now, let's do a role play.
A simple role play.
Imagine you meet someone new.
Listen first.
Hi,
Hi.
My name is Isabella.
My name is James.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
That's it.
No stress.
You don't need more.
This is real conversation.
Now, let's slow down again.
Yes, slow is good.
Let's talk about pronunciation.
Many learners are afraid of pronunciation.
They want to sound perfect.
But perfect pronunciation is not necessary.
Clear pronunciation is enough.
If people understand you,
You are successful. Let's practice some clear sentences.
repeat after us.
I want water.
Good.
I need help.
Very good.
Please speak slowly.
Excellent.
These sentences help you in real life.
Very useful.
Now, let's talk about fear again.
Fear comes from the mind.
But confidence comes from action.
Every time you speak,
You become stronger.
even one word.
Even one sentence. Let's say something important to our listeners.
Yes,
We don't need to wait.
you don't need to be ready.
You start now.
Start with what you know.
Use simple English. Now, let's do another imagination exercise.
Okay,
Imagine you are in a cafe.
you see a menu.
Say in English, I want coffee.
I want tea.
I want water.
Very good.
No translation.
Just English.
This is how you stop translating.
By using English in your mind.
Let's talk about daily habits again.
Daily habits change your English.
5 minutes speaking is enough.
Every day.
10 minutes listening is enough.
Every day.
Small steps.
Big results.
Now, let's bring everything together.
Yes, let's help our listeners feel calm and confident.
Today, we talked about one big problem.
Translating in your head.
And we learned one big truth.
You don't need translation to speak English.
You need simple words.
You need short sentences.
And you need daily practice.
Let's remember the most important ideas.
First, simple English is good English.
Second, mistakes are okay.
Third, speaking slowly is okay.
Fourth, you don't need perfect grammar.
You need communication. Let's say this clearly.
If people understand you,
Your English is good.
now let's do one last speaking practice together.
Yes, relax. Breathe. Repeat slowly. I can speak English.
Good. Again, I can speak English.
Now, I don't need to translate.
Very good.
Now, I speak simple English.
Excellent.
And now, the most important one.
Listen carefully.
I am not afraid to speak.
Very good.
If you say these sentences every day,
Your brain will change.
your confidence will grow,
Remember, learning English is a journey.
not a race.
Slow progress is real progress.
Speak a little every day.
Listen a little every day.
Think in English a little every day.
And one day,
You will notice something.
you will speak without thinking.
No translation,
No fear.
just English.
We believe in you.
Yes, we do. Thank you for listening to this podcast.
Thank you for practicing with us.
My name is Isabella.
And I'm James.
Keep practicing
Keep speaking.
and never give up.
See you next time.
Goodbye and happy learning.